Hey guys, if you're watching this video, high chances are that you either already own the Xbox Series X or the Series S. And honestly, no matter which console you have, congrats to you because it's still relatively hard to get a hold of one, especially here in Singapore. But now that you have your brand spanking new console, you might be wondering, what else can you actually do to make the overall console experience a little better? Well, today we're going to talk about 5 great accessories that we think you should definitely take a look at. First up is something that's really simple but quite often overlooked in this day and age, especially because of online play. Get a second controller, as simple as that. And yes, gone are the days where we used to invite our friends over to our place, sit on the same couch and play on the same console. But that's not to say that there aren't such games anymore. Borderlands 3 and Halo Master Chief Collection fully support local split-screen co-op, and games like Minecraft Dungeons and Overcooked 2 are pretty much designed with the couch in mind. But say you don't play these games, or perhaps you don't have much friends, a second controller still makes sense because you can use it with your Windows PC. And arguably, some games just feel better to play on a controller, especially third-person RPGs like Shadow of the Tomb Raider. If you really want the best of the best, you can also go ahead and check out the Series 2 Elite controller. Now that's gonna cost you quite a lot more, but will definitely offer you much more in customizability. In short, it's just great to have a second controller. Speaking of which, the Xbox controllers still use AA batteries, which have their pros and cons. But we will highly suggest that you grab the Xbox rechargeable battery. Essentially, this is a rechargeable lithium-ion battery the size of 2 AA batteries. Simply plug and play and you're good to go. The battery has a capacity of 1400 mAh per hour and will last you roughly 30 hours of gameplay on a full charge. The package also includes a USB-safe cable, so if you do run out of battery mid-gaming, just plug it in and continue playing. Now there is another option, which is the dual charging station from PowerA. Although the individual battery capacity is slightly lower at 1100 mAh per hour, you get 2 batteries and a charging station to boot. Honestly, it also looks great and it's officially licensed, so no worries on that part. You might want to consider that if you already have 2 controllers. This next item is arguably one of the most important, if not the most important item that you should have, especially so if you have Game Pass. It's the 1TB expansion card from Seagate. Games are huge nowadays and can easily surpass 100GB for a single AAA title. About 8 games or so and you will have filled up the storage on your Series X. This card basically adds another terabyte and will work with all Series X and S enhanced games. It's also pretty nifty and compact, and you don't have to disassemble this console to install it. There's basically a dedicated port for it on the back of the console, and just like the battery for the controller, it's plug and play. Unfortunately, I still don't have one and it's still hard to buy one today, but if you need more storage, definitely keep an eye out. Recording and sharing your gameplay videos is really simple with the new console, especially with that new dedicated share button in the middle of your controller. By default, it would save the recording into the internal SSD on your console, but as we've just mentioned, storage is kind of like a precious resource now. To solve that issue, you just need to get an external SSD, like this WD Black that I have right here. Just make sure that it's at least USB 3.1 and in NTFS format, and leave it plugged in. Now go over to Manage Storage Devices, set your external SSD as the capture location, and you will then need to set your capture and share preferences and set that to the external SSD as well. Once you have all of that done, you can record gameplay and need not worry about it taking much space on your console itself. Lastly, what completes the gaming experience has to be audio, and speaking of which, you're in luck because Microsoft just recently released these. These are the new Xbox wireless headset and it's honestly quite impressive. First up, the design is actually really modern and classy, which really fits the overall monolithic look of the Series X. It is also pretty comfortable with a good amount of padding on the ear cups and the headband. Even though I'm wearing glasses, I could pretty much use this for hours on end and not feel much fatigue if at all. But of course, your mileage may vary. Sound quality is also really good, especially considering the price. gunfire and explosions are crystal clear in Gears 5, while the melodic soundtracks and tranquil sound effects in Ori are equally as clean and melodic as well. The headset also supports spatial sound technologies like Windows Sonic, Dolby Atmos and DTS Headphone X for even added immersion in the games that do support it. Mic quality is also great, as far as my friends said so. Pretty much they could hear me clean and sharp, and I guess that's pretty much what you want from a mic. Now of course, there are many more settings that you can play with for the mic and much more for the entire headset using the Xbox Accessories app. But by far the best feature on this headset has got to be the side. These are rotating ear cup dials, and honestly, it's downright amazing. Simply rotate the right dial to adjust the volume, while rotating the left dial adjusts the balance between your chat and the game audio. This feature directly comes from their line of Surface headphones, and honestly, it's just amazing. I'm really glad they did this. But say you aren't a fan of this design, well, there are many other options out there. You can check out the SteelSeries Arctis 7X or 9X, which is arguably one of the best headsets for the Xbox, or the Razer Kyra Pro, which offers a similar set of features. Whichever you choose, they will all perform great. So that was a look at 5 great gaming accessories for both the Series X and the Series S. We hope that it's been quite informative, and thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section down below, and if there are affiliate links in the description, do check them out, and if you do, thanks for the support. Don't forget to subscribe to us, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Till the next one, see ya!